Fact number 1. AI image recognition tools can analyze and classify images based on visual characteristics such as color, shape, and texture. Fact number 2. AI image editing tools can automatically enhance and retouch photos, remove backgrounds, and add filters and effects. Fact number 3. AI facial recognition technology can analyze and identify individuals based on their facial features, which can be used for security purposes, marketing, and other applications. Fact number 4. AI-powered chatbots can use natural language processing, NLP, to interact with customers and provide support or assistance. Fact number 5. AI-powered search engines can use machine learning algorithms to understand user queries and provide more relevant search results. Fact number 6. AI-powered recommendation systems can analyze user data to suggest products, services, or content that may be of interest to them. Fact number 7. AI image generation tools can create new images from scratch, based on a set of input parameters, such as style, color, and subject matter. Fact number 8. AI image compression tools can reduce the file size of images without significantly affecting their quality, making them easier to store and share. Fact number 9. AI-powered medical imaging tools can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and conditions. Fact number 10. AI-powered drones can use image recognition technology to detect and identify objects, people, and animals, which can be used for surveillance, search and rescue operations, and other applications. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.